We're excited to bring you another tutorial on how to pour into our Geode Agate Tray 2-part silicone mold. I was really excited that Kevin made this mold for us because it allows you to do the pour top up so there's no surprises once the piece is done. What Kevin's doing here is mixing up mica powders into epoxy resin. You can use alcohol inks, resin inks. You could put flowers in these spaces. We call the removable part of this mold the river. That's represented by the yellow, and the base is white. Kevin's now mixing up the mica colors, making them kind of strong. He's got a blue powder, a red powder. We'll have the names of the powders down in the description area. Here he's pouring some clear resin on the bottom. You don't have to do this, but it's something he chose to do, and that's okay. Kevin then put the mica into a split cup, which you don't have to do, but he chose to do here, so it would flow the colors a little bit better, mixing the reds and the blues in separate channels. He's pouring these colors into what we'll refer to as the island areas since they're bigger than the river area. He's using a heat wand here to move the resin a little bit and stirring it up with a silicone brush. You leave it to cure for 12 hours and then you come back and you pull the river part out. This is the fun part. The original resin is stuck to the bottom of the base. Kevin's now mixing up some silver mica powder with some interference powder to give it a little bit of a shine, and he's going to pour that into the river area. That silver is making the darker colors pop. Here, after that's cured, he's using a little bit of resin to prime before he pours his top coat, and that's what's great about this mold is there's a little bit of a lip to hold your top coat perfectly. Once that is cured, you demold it, and like we said, no surprise, because you did this top up. We painted the sides and the bottom and added some wooden feet, and it makes a beautiful vanity display tray.